Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing data. Copy important files to an external drive or cloud because repairs can risk data. Once backed up, make a Windows 10 bootable USB with the Media Creation tool so you can access recovery tools. Restart and enter Advanced Recovery. Hold Shift while selecting Restart or Boot from the USB. Once in the recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot then Advanced Options. This gets you to Startup Repair, Command Prompt, and System Image Options to begin hands-on repair. Once in Advanced Options, run Startup Repair to automatically fix common boot issues. If that doesn't complete, open Command Prompt for targeted diagnostics. First run chkdskc/f/r to repair file system errors and recover readable data, then run sfc/scano to repair Windows files. If SFC fails, run dism/image c \cleanupimage/restore health from the recovery environment to if diagnostics didn't help, revert using system restore or a previously created system image to roll back corrupted changes. Once done, test boot and system behavior. Make sure to update Windows and drivers. If no restore point exists, choose Reset this PC. Keep my files for minimal disruption or remove everything for a clean install and reinstall from your bootable USB if needed. If problems persist, check hardware, run memory tests and inspect the drive. Faulty hardware often mimics corruption, so replace failing components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.